want to show you the simple trick to get the correct answer to this very particular question. First of all, what you should pinpoint from this question is that the system is in equilibrium. So when the system is in equilibrium, according to the chatelier principle, any of the factors that affect the equilibrium is altered, the equilibrium will move in such a way to deal with that change. This is the reaction of interest. Look at what we have here. The nitrogen 4 oxide is dissociated to form nitrogen 4 oxide. You will from this question, you will agree with me that we have one here, which is the volume, and we have two here. And that there is increase in volume of the gases here. And one principle that will help us to determine the answer is one, the reactions that proceed with increase in volume, and also the reactions that proceed with decrease in volume. Now, from what we have here, this reaction proceeded with increase in volume. We have from 1 to 2, which means increase in volume. So any reaction that proceeds with increase in volume requires a low pressure in order to favor the forward reaction and vice versa. So from this equation, what we have here, we have increase in volume, which means we need low pressure in order to favor the production of nitrogen 4 oxide. But look at what the question is saying. Increase in the total pressure of the equilibrium reaction above will. So if the pressure is increased, which means that it will only favor the backward reaction. And the backward reaction here is that is producing more of the reactants instead of the products. So if you have read these options carefully, you will agree with me plausibly that the correct answer or the correct option is produce more of dinitrogen 4 oxide in the mixture, because this reaction proceeded with increase in volume. And increase in volume requires a low pressure for favorable forward reaction and vice versa. While reactions that proceed with decrease in volume requires high pressure. So the correct option here is option